Understanding Ultimatum, a comprehensive guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the term ultimatum. This is a word that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or read in books, and it plays a crucial role in negotiations and decision-making processes. So, let's dive in and understand what ultimatum truly means. An ultimatum is a final statement of terms or conditions made by one party to another, indicating that if the terms are not accepted, there will be severe consequences or the relationship may come to an end. In simpler words, it's like saying, "This is my final offer. Take it or leave it." An ultimatum is usually issued in a situation of conflict or disagreement, where one party wants to force a decision or a change from the other party. It is a strong and serious statement that indicates urgency and the need for a decisive action. 1. In relationships, if you don't stop working late every night, I'm going to leave. Here, one partner is giving the other a final chance to change their behavior, indicating that the relationship could end if the behavior continues. 2. In business, accept this offer by 5 p.m. today, or we are withdrawing it. In this case, a company is giving another company a deadline to accept a business deal, making it clear that the offer is not negotiable and will be off the table after the deadline. 3. In international relations, withdraw your troops by midnight, or we will declare war. Here, one country is giving another country an ultimatum to take a specific action, with the threat of war if the demand is not met. Now, let's look at how to properly use ultimatum in a sentence. Here are some examples. 1. The employer gave an ultimatum to the striking workers, stating that they had to return to work by Monday, or they would be replaced. 2. She gave him an ultimatum: quit smoking, or the relationship is over. 3. The government issued an ultimatum to the protesters, demanding that they disband and leave the area immediately. It's important to note that giving an ultimatum is a very strong and serious action. It should not be used lightly, as it can lead to broken relationships, escalated conflicts, and negative outcomes. Use an ultimatum only when you are prepared to follow through with the consequences and when all other avenues of negotiation or discussion have been exhausted. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and proper use of the word ultimatum. Remember, while an ultimatum can be a powerful tool in negotiations, it should be used cautiously and responsibly. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.